It might be keep my eyes a lot. This one in my look.
With the shoe on, the head was where the soul locked.
Oh, it's up above you again, Mom. Look up.
Oh wow, it's just sitting there. It won't shoot. Oh wow,
She's hanging out.
look at his mouth.
She's hanging out.
He's like, okay, take a picture.
Backing down. Yeah, no, but the car's so oh wow, look at that. I guess that's the baby.
Hey everybody, it's game time here and I'm back from vacation. I know I've kept the videos rolling for you guys while I was gone. Everything you see at the first of this video is footage I shot while in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I'm not sure what all I'll include, but I think I'm going to put in a little clip from the mountains view from Cades Cove and probably some stuff from the aquarium. I took more pictures than I did video, but I'm going to throw a little bit of that stuff in there in this video just for fun. So after a long drive home, I checked my mail. I tried not to order too much stuff so it wouldn't be sitting here for very long, but this was here, so I was very happy to come home, come into my card room, go just take a big whiff of the cardboard, and so I'm happy to be home. Vacations are great. I had a lot of fun. There's no place like home, especially when you have a card room and a box of wax waiting to be opened. So as you saw from my last box, I ended up with 2 cracked ice autographs, one of which was a hot rookie that I sold on eBay for a buttload of money, actually. I think I still have the other one. I had paused my eBay listings. I didn't want people buying stuff and it not shipping right away, but this stuff that you see here may make it on there tonight. I'm not sure. I'm pretty tired from the drive. We'll see, but you can look for it. If not today, you can look for it tomorrow. So not sure I'll do as good as the last time, but let's get into it and see. I'm not going to read all of these. You've probably already seen a bunch of this in the past week. So here is a D'Anthony Melton. This is actually on card and in black ink. I don't know if the black ink makes any difference. I will have to check and see. D'Anthony Melton. Black ink on card. And then we have some of the inserts. School colors. I do have some of these already listed. I did manage to list some stuff while I was gone, and I paired up like some of the variations that I had the base card and the variation of, and those are already available if you want or need those. Westbrook, Monk, LeBron. I did have both variations of him in the last box. And then we have Adele. Did I might have pulled him in the no? Gosh, I can't even remember. Being gone for a week seems like a really long time. So here's autograph number 2. Ding Adele. We have Jackson, Brown, Trent Jr. I've got to learn all this whole rookie class. There's Tatum, Westbrook, Draymond, Porzingis, Booker, Kobe, Dennis Smith Jr., and Swanigan. Hoping I get another cracked dice out of this. We shall see. Looks like I have a there's a Lonzo and a Kuzma. Nice, a Ben Simmons cracked dice. Not the autograph, obviously, but this is still a really good looking card. It's numbered to 23. If you're gonna get a non-autograph cracked dice, this is a good one to get, obviously. Sweet card. Alright. And then we have a Kiri Thomas autograph. Did I not get him last time because I was complaining about just the autograph signature? Gosh, I really can't remember. Alright, Porter Jr., Hutchinson, Milton, and Jackson Jr., Klay Thompson and Barkley, Paul, Karl Anthony Towns, Ingram, Curry, Collins, and Monk. I guess might still get a cracked dice auto. We'll see. Oh, I see. Look, you can see something shiny right there. So, although it doesn't look like it's my autograph, huh? Let's see. Yep. We have, who is this? Kenrich Williams. So let's see who this cracked dice. Well, let me go through these first. Melvin Frazier, Thomas, who I just pulled an autograph of. Lonzo Legacy, Isaac, Davis, George, Brown, LeBron, and Wade. Then we have Porzingis, Fox, Leonard, Swanigan, and a cracked dice Milton School Colors. This is the guy I couldn't figure out his first name. Is it Shake, Shaki? I don't know. But that's two cracked dice, but neither being an autograph. So I guess that's kind of a bummer, really. But oh well. I'm just so happy to be opening cards again. I don't care what I get. Could be anything. Could be collector's choice, and I would be happy right now. All right. Kevin Herter. H-U-E-R-T, Herter. I'm just going to guess this is probably not a top prospect. But Lord knows I've been wrong at times. Ayton, Milton again. Hutchinson, Ayton again. Towns and Wiggins. Murray, Wiggins, there's Fultz. I think that's the first Fultz I've pulled out of either box. Markkanen and Harden. And our last pack. I have some more stuff coming. I went ahead when I knew I was getting ready to come home and ordered a new box of Hobby Absolute Football. When I opened the blasters, I thought that maybe it was retail only, but then, like I said, I'm kind of behind on things. Then I saw that it was not, so I've got that on order, and it should be here either tomorrow or Tuesday. And everybody knows my passion for Chronicles, and I've done so well with it. I ordered 2 more boxes of that. There's Donovan Mitchell, and I will have that for you guys this coming week. And my last autograph is Devon Hall from Virginia. And then we have Evans, Walker, Bridges, Evans, Irving and Lillard, Kuzma, Nowitzki, Dunn, Leonard, Anthony, and Bell, and we'll look back at the hits really quick. So we had the Hall autograph, Yurter, I don't know, the Milton cracked ice school colors, Kenrich Williams, Kyrie Thomas. Wait a second, where did he? I'm trying to think where he got drafted. I can't. Anyway, Simmons cracked ice, very nice insert there. Adele, and the black ink Melton, which I'm gonna have to find out if it's not numbered, so I'm not sure if that's a short print of any type. I'll check and see. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm happy to be back with you guys. Hope you like the vacation footage, and I will see you all tomorrow. Everybody take care.